Hello guys, good day everyone. You're all welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, guess what? Today I'm going to show you guys a wonderful tips on Facebook, basically on how you can check where your accounts have been logged in before. You understand? So I'm going to show you how you can do that on Facebook and on Facebook Lite. You understand? So these steps are different. Where you find it on Facebook is not the same place where you can find it on Facebook Lite. Alright, so let's go and find it on Facebook. Then go to your settings. At this place that you can locate your settings, click on settings and click on passwords and security. The second option out there, click on it. Then it will load and bring you to this interface. Alright guys, in this place just click on this particular option here, see more. As you can see at the top, where you are logged in, which means if someone is making use of your account somewhere else, you can easily detect where the person is, the location in particular. Right, so let's click on see more. Okay, yeah, click on see more so that you can be able to know if there is no other person or a device that your account has been logged into before. As you can see, this is my location and 3 of them are in the same location. Alright, so I logged in with my Facebook app and with my Facebook Lite and on Chrome. You understand? 3 of them displayed here. Alright, so as you can see, each and every one of them are displayed. So if I have anybody log into my device in any place or any place at all, the person details will be displayed here, even the phone or device the person is using. Alright, so for you to get that person out of your account, you can click on this place, these 3 dots at the right corner of anyone, or you want to remove all of them at a time, just click on log out all same, and you log out from any particular app site or place that you've logged into your account. Click on this log out all session and you log out from every device that your account has been in before. Alright, but if you want to log out them one after the other, you can click at the 3 dots and do that. Okay, just stay tuned. I'll show you how to do this on normal Facebook, as that one is a little more tricky. Alright, so just stay tuned and watch to the very end, guys. Okay guys, for you to do the same thing on Facebook, kindly click on this option here. It's a little bit tricky and hard to find. Okay, just stay tuned and watch to the very end so you know how to do this and locate anyone that is making use of your account. Okay, so click on settings and privacy as well. Yeah, click on settings, go on your settings and allow it to load. Alright, as you can see, this one is a little bit more different from that of Lite. You understand? Alright, click on this particular space here. Yeah, click on any of them. Alright guys, click here. Yeah, click on that password here. Click on it. Just click anywhere in this box that is gloomy, that is not visible like that. Yeah, click on it and allow it to load. Then click on password and security. Then as you can see it here, where you are logged in, the second box you can see it there, that's the first one where you are logged in on it, and check out every place that you've logged in before. Right, as you can see, all of them are displayed here. Alright, it's out almost every day to keep yourself safe from hackers or spies. Alright, so if you find this video useful, guys, please remember to hit the subscribe button, like and share. Thank you guys, see you in my next video.